Hey guys, how's it going? Do you have a chest freezer turned into a cold plunge pool and wondering how to keep it clean? In this video, I'm going to show you how I do. You can see if you have a look down here at all the dirt, how dirty it's actually gotten over the last few weeks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I do a partial water clean on it. And to do that, once I get out after having a freeze in the morning, so I'm just going to grab that mat out. So what I'll do is I'll leave it just for a few hours and let all the sediment settle down to the bottom, and then I'll go through and vacuum it up and come back to it later. Sweet, alright, it's been a couple of hours now and come back to have a look at the water. You can see now all the sediment settled down. So I'll just take these things out. I just need a bucket for the water, and this is what I've got here. It's a aquarium siphon, alright, to clean it up, and that there's just a vacuum cleaner brush attachment that I'll fit it on. So it just works like a suction siphon, so you get it in. Because the filter gets a bit of muck on it, so let's give that a clean. Put this back in. Put a little scoop here to get any little debris out. I just need to check the level of how much chlorine left in there. Still see a little bit of chlorine in there, so that's all good. And I've got these water test kits, just to see how much chlorine really and how acidic the water is. I want to check down the bottom there. You can see the acidity, the orange there. It's looking about 6.8. We probably need to put a little bit of alkalinity increaser in there. And the actual chlorine is fine. It's in 5 there, which for spa is okay. And they're the main two ones that we look towards. it. So from before now, come and have a look. You see everything's a lot cleaner now, eh? Alright, I'll close it up. You see the temperature's got to 5.5 degrees now after putting that replacement water in. So I'm going to plug it in now, and that's going to start running straight away. And it's going to take a while. You can see it's cooling down now and doing its thing. Sweet. Awesome.